Congratulations.
Congratulations, Tito Cute and Tita Eunice. We love you and we pray that you will have a blessed marriage and God will bless you with many, many little kids. And we pray that God will be the center of your relationship. Go. Go.
Go.
Go. So yeah, congratulations. We love you.
Make lots of babies.
Make lots of babies.
Congratulations, Mikel and Eunice. Best wishes.
Congratulations, Tita Nice. Glad you're married. I love you guys. See you soon.
Mikel and sino yan? Eunice?
Ulit, take two. Mikel and Eunice.
Mikel and Eunice. Congratulations. Sana ay maging masaya kayo sa karawan ng inyong kasal at na binibindisyonan ko kayo na maging maayos ang inyong pagsasama at patnubayan kayo ng ating Panginoon na maging matagumpay kayo sa inyong hinaharap. Thank you, Mikel. Alam ko kung gaano ka busilak yung puso mo para kay Eunice. Maraming salamat sa pagiging makatotoo mo. I love you. God bless you. Kahit wala kami dyan, masaya kami para sa iyo. Love you. Bye. See you soon.
Hello. Say hi.
Hi.
Hello, congratulations, Tito Mikel and Tita Eunice.
Congratulations!
Welcome to the married life.
Welcome!
May advice daw si Mahal.
Keep it loving. Congratulations! Listen to your wife. Keep it loving.
Don't
Number
fight.
one.
Don't fight.
Number one, love.
Silikha.
Number one, God.
Don't fight.
Don't fight. Si Agos, what's your advice?
Love you.
Congratulations!
Congratulations. May God bless you both. See you soon.
Congratulations, number one.
Love you. We love you.
Love God. God love.
Yeah, ba? Congrats sa inyo doon ni Eunice. I wish you all the best. Hopefully, ma-achieve din ninyo diretso inyong mga plans, inyong goals as a couple. And yeah, sayang wala ko diya. But yeah, make babies, yo. Dang. Hopefully next year mag-uli ko, makabisita ko. But ako lang is good health sa inyo. And success. Peace out, yo.
Hi Langga, hello Mikel, good evening. So, first of all, and once again, congratulations on your wedding day. We are truly happy para sa inyong duha as you celebrate your union together. And we are truly thankful to the Lord na after all the harassments and challenges, nadayon na jud. And today you are now husband and wife. To Nice, Langga, we know that this wedding day is a very big check mark on your bucket list. And we pray that kani siya na kasal ninyo, it would be a milestone or a big leap to your full healing, no? We all know na you've been through a rough time, and we hope that the happiness you felt today, tuloy-tuloy na siya. Yes, naghag challenges along the way, but we know that with your faith and your service in the Lord, and now with your bond with your husband, no, we know that you can get through all things na, and we know that you will come out stronger and more faithful, no, and more fearless against all odds, no. So for Mikkel, we've not been we didn't have enough bonding yet to be known as really close, but we know that you have brought joy and happiness to Nice's life, and we are thankful that you really fulfilled one of her dreams, that someday she will be married to the love of her life. And we pray that you would be able to live life to the fullest with Nice, and that you would help her face her challenges. Of course, she will be there to help you with your challenges as well, and that whatever problems or mga struggles you both have, you will not be facing those struggles alone anymore. You have each other, you know, to fight those challenges and struggles as a team. So remember, you're no longer just magpuyo and just makidato. No, you are now team Mikkel and Eunice. No, we just really wish you the best for the both of you, and that may you continue to make God the center of your relationship, and we wish you endless joy and happiness in your married life. So once again, congratulations, and never forget that we are here to support you, and we'll be here to always help you in your challenges in life. So that's it for me. Happy married life to you both. Bye.
Hi, Nice and Mikkel. Congratulations on your wedding day. And thank you for allowing us ni Atong to be part of your special day as your veil sponsors. And Langga, Nice, as one of your closest friends sa SFC, I am truly happy sa imong new milestone in life. And at last, God's perfect timing has come for you and Mikkel to begin this wonderful journey together as husband and wife. As you start this new chapter, may your marriage be filled with happiness, understanding, peace, faith, and a deep love for one another through every season of life. There may be no perfect marriage, but always choose each other every day. So especially during difficult times, and keep God at the center of your relationship. May the Lord continue to guide your steps, strengthen your bond, and shower your marriage with abundant blessings. Congratulations once again, and God bless your marriage. And soon babies. With love, Dasha.
Hi Nancy and Mikael, congratulations on your wedding day. Wishing you both a lifetime of love and happiness. So may God bless you with your future family soon and always put Him in the center of your relationship. Cheers!
Hi, Nice and Miguel!
Congratulations on your wedding day!
Umayo kayo't magparami.